Hello, I am Tajdin Kaderi. I have graduated in Technical University of Hassan Pristina in telecommunication engineering. I have been teaching Java programming and mathematics students for the last 5 years, and I have specialized in helping students to solve their problems in Java programming and math. I have helped and taught hundreds of students to pass easily their exam, and I have explained everything practical, and that is what I am passionate about. I have helped and taught students on-site and online. I have developed important skills, communication skills, listening student and understanding what they want. Today date is April 5, 2022. Solve the following equation for x. We have this quadratic equation, or the polynomial of power of 2. We must find the root of this equation. We are going to start from general equation, quadratic form. Sorry, here. Just a second. Okay. Here we have the general formula: ax squared plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. Now this is the a value is 4, b value is 16, c value is minus 20. Now we will have the coefficient value, or a is 4, b is value of 16, and c is minus 20. Now, just a second. Now we are going to use this formula to find the value, or to say the root of this quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus. Here when we have plus is the first value, when we have minus is the second value. Here we have the square root. We have b squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c, the fraction 2a. Now fraction, the b value we have is 16 plus minus b is 16 square minus 4, a it has value of 4, c it has value of minus 20, and fraction we have 2a is 4. Now equal what we will have here. Fraction minus 16 plus minus 16 square is 256. Yes. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. 4 multiplied by 4 and 20, it is all 320, and here we have 2 multiplied by 4, it's 8, minus 16 plus minus, here all this it will be 24 in power of 2, and here we have 8. Here this and this will simplify, and in the end we will have the two solution. The first solution, when this is positive, we will have minus 16 plus 24 fraction 8, and this is first value, that is 1. And the second value, because here can be positive or negative, now we have minus 16 minus 24 fraction 8, the value it is minus 5. Using, we can sorry, this is the formula, x minus x2. This is the general, the quadratic formula, x square plus b x plus c. A it is has value 4, x minus x1 it's 1, x minus multiplied by minus is plus 5, a it has, and this is the our equation that we have, 4x square plus 16 x minus 20. To verify this, is it true, we can take this to check is it true, we can take this value of x, that is 1, and substitute here in this value equation, and it will be equal to 0. Thank you that you have watching my video, and I wish to all you all the best.